Hello everyone, welcome to another lesson. So in this lesson, we'll be examining JavaScript string. So we'll be, spending time on JavaScript string to see what strings does and how to work with strings in JavaScript. I understand the fact that I've mentioned it when we're treating data types in JavaScript. We mentioned about string that it can either have a single or double quote, but beyond just quotes, there are things that we can do with strings in JavaScript, and that is the purpose of this series on string where we'll be considering things like how to get a string length, how to use things like template literal with strings, how to use single quote, how to use double quote, how to use quote inside quotes, how to use quote inside string. So these are some of the things that we are going to be considering in this lesson. Strings are for storing text. So like we have seen that strings are just a character. So strings are just for storing text. So your text could be name, it could be a city name, it could be a location name, just about anything that you can think of. Strings are written with quotes. Also, strings are also written with quotes, which means that string, for it to be, categorized as a string, characters or a character to be categorized as a string need to be written with quotes. So it could either be a single quote or double quote. A JavaScript string is zero or more characters written inside quotes. So a JavaScript string is zero, which means that once we are what this means by zero is just this. Let me show us in the you know editor. So let me just quickly pull up HTML editor document. I'll do something like a string and JS. So I'll make a script tag since I want to show something related to JavaScript. So if I say let main equals to, so just check this out. I want to inspect it in the console. If this is giving me any error, or if it is not giving me any error, okay, you can see this on error. So the is not defined. So if I now change this and add it and put it inside a quote like this, a single quote, you can see that that error has disappeared. So this is a valid string in JavaScript with single quote or double quote. So the string can be zero or characters of numbers or something like this way. Just a second. A JavaScript string is zero or more character written inside code. So which means that this is a string and it is valid in JavaScript, even without any character inside it. It's a valid JavaScript. So this is a string. And you can see that there's no error in the console. So this is a valid string and it can be a sequence of character, like a name of a city or a name of a place. It is still a valid way of declaring string in PowerPoint, in JavaScript. You can use single or double quote. String created with single or double quote work the same. There's no difference. Whether you use a single quote or double quote, there's no difference. It all works the same as long as it is valid string in JavaScript. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.